KSLA cares about the health in our community, and for the last 3 decades, the MLK Health Center and Pharmacy has provided a safety net to give members in our community access to care to help them live more fruitful lives. Marie Waxel shares how the center came to life from a simple observation.
Without this place, I'm not sure where I would be. So anything that I have given has been given back to me tenfold.
While studying internal medicine at LSU, Dr. Robert Jackson noticed an odd pattern in patients.
I would see people come in the emergency room with devastating consequences from common problems that were just not well controlled, like high blood pressure and diabetes.
The common story? They could come to LSU and see a doctor, they just couldn't get their medicine.
I found that very discouraging, and I wanted to do something about it, but I didn't know what.
Jackson soon found himself in the company of Sister Margaret McCaffrey, Director of Christian Services at the time.
So she took the ball and ran with it, and created our organization, and gave me a place to show up and see patients at the hospitality house or soup kitchen. And so really all I had to do was show up on Saturdays.
Their focus? Providing health care for the uninsured and underinsured struggling with chronic conditions.
Most of those people make just too much money to where they don't qualify for Medicaid, but they still struggle day to day with paying rent and utilities.
For the last 30 years, the MLK Health Center and Pharmacy has helped patients take back control of their lives, teaching them how to manage and, in some cases, eliminate preventable diseases.
I guess more important to me than the effect on the community as a whole is the effect on an individual patient whose blood pressure is now better, or an individual person with diabetes whose sugar is now better, or an individual with epilepsy who can now work because their epilepsy is controlled. Each one of those has a special place in my heart.
3 decades later, the center's still thriving, providing necessary care right here in our own backyard. Marie Waxel, KSLA News 12.
And the MLK Health